Opening the box, you will find the watch Xtend, a USB magnetic charging cable, user manual and warranty card. This lightweight and stylish watch has a big 1.69 inches square LCD display. The gorgeous display can have multiple watch faces, which you can switch depending upon your preference. The display automatically adjusts the brightness based on the amount of natural light available to allow you a clear view. It comes with stress monitor, a heart rate and an SpO2 monitor. Among other health and fitness features, it has multiple sports modes to aid your workouts. Additionally, it has 5 ATM water resistance, which allows you to indulge in heavy workouts. With the help of a built-in voice assistant, you can set reminders, alarms, read weather forecasts, and more. The watch is available in multiple color variants such as black, deep blue, olive green, pitch black, sandy cream. The boAt Xtend Smartwatch is the next generation